Welcome back, everybody. We are going to be creating the hitch pin for your toy train. So you need to create a part studio. And for this part, we are going to be creating a profile and then revolving it. So we're going to start our sketch on the front panel like we usually do. So I'm going to select my front panel, and it's taking a minute. It's lagging a little bit. All right, there we go. Flip my view cube around. And we are going to jump back and forth over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename my part studio, and I'm going to call it Hitch Pin. Actually, I'm going to call it Hitch Pin 2 because I've already made one. You just call yours Hitch Pin. All right, so Hitch Pin looks like this right here. A blank screen. Here we go. All right, so we're going to be drawing a profile. All right, so the first thing I notice is I've got a part that is 0.65 inches tall. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to grab my line tool. I'm going to go to my center point, and I am going to go straight up that center line, 0.65 inches. And then I am going to zoom in on that because this is going to be kind of a small part. So I want to be sure that I can see everything. So there's 0.65. Now I need to come across. So I know that my width is 0.25, so I'm only coming across from the midpoint. So that's going to be 0.125. So I'm going to grab my line tool and come across to the right. Nope, that didn't take. All right, there we go. Make sure that that turns yellow. It's not wanting. There it goes. 0.125. All right, so now let's see how far up we're going to go. We're going to take it up 0.5 inches. So we're going to go a line straight up 0.5, and then we're going to come out 0.075. All right, so I'm going to grab my line tool, select my point, come up 0.5. And then I'm going to come straight out to the right, 0.075. All right, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to pull my dimensions out here so you guys can see them. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to create an arc that goes from here to here. And that arc has a radius of 0.208. So I'm going to grab a 3-point arc. I'm going to click the letter A on my keyboard, which is this 3-point arc tool. And I'm going to select my top point, and I'm going to select this outside point, and I'm going to get it to go just a little bit arced that way, and then 0.208. That looks good. You should get a gray shape right now saying that it is fully enclosed. If you're getting red error messages, then what you may need to do is a little tweak that I will show you right now. All right. So if you get the red error messages, then what you can do is you can delete that arc and try it again. Grab your 3-point arc tool, and this time instead of connecting it, come down here and just go right below it. Okay, and then do the same thing. All right, give it a little bit of an arc. Type in 0.208, and it will arc it for you. And then you should be able to hit escape and grab that point and drag it over on top of the other point, at which point it should go ahead and finish for you. All right, so if you need the dimensions, you can pause the video right here and continue on. All right, so once I've got this, I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to click the front or click my isometric view, get rid of my work planes, zoom in so that I can see my part, and then I am going to revolve it. So I'm going to select my face, and then I'm going to select the left axis to revolve it. Bam, there it goes. Finish it up. Right click over here on part number 1 and change this to Hitch Pin. I'm going to call it Hitch Pin 2, obviously. Then you're going to assign your material, PLA. green check it, and assign your color, whatever color you want your hitch pin to be. All right, once you've done that, you have finished your hitch pin, and we are on to the next.